So this hasn't been the first time that I've been on my own. I was 5 when I've been sent to a boarding school. It was DPS Dalhousie, and that has really groomed me for learning a lot of things and applying that into my daily life. In high school, I had no idea what I wanted to do, but lately, when I was making a decision for my colleges, I came out to a conclusion that I want to pursue something in marketing or I want to be a basketball coach. I was the captain of my team. I was highly competitive and I know how to get things done, and marketing is all about competition. So I think that marketing is for me. Before coming to Canada, I did a lot of research about the colleges in India as well as in Canada. So I wasn't really impressed by the opportunities given to me by the Indian colleges. So I did my research on the Canadian colleges, and so far Stenberg College was one of the colleges which gave a really good opportunity to me to just have my 1-year diploma and then going further to good universities. Vancouver is a beautiful place. There's a lot to explore in the city, and I have good friends whom I can roam about with, especially in class. I think that Vancouver could be the best place that I would have decided to come in Canada. The best part about this program is that everything I'm learning, I can apply that in my practical life day to day, such as teaching about work ethics, like how to make a job resume, or how to give out presentations, writing effective emails. All this stuff, I think that's something which I have to deal with in a regular basis in my day-to-day life. It's really different from India, because in India we didn't have anything to do practically. It was all theoretical. We just had books and we just had to cram stuff out and give a paper out of it. But now, studying in Canada, I've realized that study can be fun. In India, it was just stressful. I couldn't stand the curriculum of the studies in my country. Actually, before coming to this program, I was a really shy person. Or maybe I was not so comfortable in giving like the class presentations or public speaking. But when I've joined this course, I've overcome my fears. And I've had a great relationship with each of my teachers. They were extremely very helpful. They have really given me the time and all the focus that I can fix my mistakes wherever I'm wrong. I've learned a lot of things. You cannot get things done by your own. When I'm with my friends and working in a team, you have to collaborate. I like to embrace their strengths and also see what their weakness is, and I try to cover it up. So it's really good to work in groups. In a way, I'm really happy that it's a small size class because I get a lot of opportunity to interact with each and every one of them and interact with my teachers as well. I see myself going after this program in BCIT. I further want to pursue my studies and complete my bachelor's degree in BCIT. Stenberg College has a pathway program with it. I wish to have my own business where I can apply all the dynamics and all the essential skills which I've learned from marketing, and hopefully grow my own business. And I'll be also working on my personal career goals, which is like working on basketball or something.